Hi guys, George. Welcome with my channel Reveal Secrets. Many people believe that the Hollow Earth theory is more than just myth, and some have even tried to prove it scientifically. For many years, it was believed that the earth was hollow, but even though many have some who come up with theories until 1968, there was no proof. So I am telling you about some evidences of hollow earth. Number 1. Is there a hole in the North Pole? A project belonging to the Department of Commerce of the United States gave media access to images of the North Pole taken by the ESSA 7 satellite on November 23, 1968. One of the photographs showed the North Pole covered by the usual clouds. The other one showed the same area without clouds, revealing a huge hole where the pole was supposed to be located. Vice Admiral Richard E. Byrd of the U.S. Navy was a distinguished pioneer aviator and polar explorer who flew over the North Pole on May 9, 1926 and led numerous expeditions to Antarctica, including a flight over the South Pole on 29 November 1929. He entered into the inner earth and see numerous monster-type. Point 3. The possibility the earth is hollow and that it can be accessed through the North Pole and South Pole, and the secret civilization flourish within it, has spurred the imagination of people through centuries. Buddhists believe and still believe that millions of people live in Agartha and an underground paradise ruled by the king of the world. Point 4. Leonard Euler, a mathematical genius of the 18th century, concluded that the earth was hollow, containing a central sun, and was inhabited. Point 5. Doctor Edmund Halley, discoverer of Comet Halley and Royal Astronomer of England, also believed that the earth was hollow on the inside, within 3 floors. 6. A team of Harvard scientists believe the remnants of an ancient Earth dating to the time another planet collided with ours to produce the Moon may be still lodged deep within the Earth's mantle. Point number 7. Planet Earth produces a heat flow of unknown origin according to scientists. Point 8. According to experts, ghost particles are coming from the Earth's center. Point number 9. Researchers have found, according to geoneutrinos, around 70% of Earth's heat is produced from radioactivity. Point 10. A map of the Third Reich shows several secret passages depicted which were used by German U-boats to access mysterious underground regions. Okay guys, that all are the evidence of hollow earth. Watch this video, hit a like, and for new viewers please subscribe my channel and see my previous video regarding hollow earth. The link which was given